On top inside Edo today, House of Reps press crew Abuja don knack award of excellence give Edo Deputy Governor. As this one join waka with the dinner wey Edo Deputy Governor put together to take celebrate former head of channels Benin. House of Reps press crew don knack Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Philip Shaibu award of excellence sake of the work wey im do when im dey National Assembly. And this na the first time wey dem dey give anybody this award. People wey dey dis Ogbonge event na Deputy Governor of West State, Secretary to West State Government Osaredion Oge Esquire, the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly Frank Okiye, former Deputy Speaker, Head of Stations for Edo State, even CEO of T-Live Media una Ogbonge station dey gidigba for this event and pressmen dem. Chairman Correspondent Chapel House of Reps and na im come still be the award committee chairman. Na im come tok say dem give Deputy Governor dis award sake of say dem check the members of the house wey dey do well inside the house and when dem don comot for the house. E say when Deputy Governor bin dey house as member, im dey represent the people well and na im make dem knack am dis award as pride of the house.
When I was given this assignment, being the first time, we had to look around for members of the house who have done wonderfully well. We also look at those who have been in the house and are also doing well in other endeavors. And your name came out. Now we notice that when you came into the house in 2015, of course you indicated intention to run for the position of Speaker. And along the line, the party came and you gave in. But the few months you spent in the house, you gave a good account of yourself. It was on this account that you were chosen as the pride of the house, as one of the ambassadors of the house, doing the house well outside the shores of the National Assembly.
On top this award presentation, Ms. Kauta na im come read the citation, the one where they put the things about the Deputy Governor put for inside. And I am the chairman of the House of Reps press crew, Umaru Muhammad, na im come present the award give the Deputy Governor.
Shaibu in 2007 contested and won the election to represent Esako West constituency under the platform of the Action Congress at the Edo State House of Assembly. While he was there, he was elected as the majority leader on February 24, 2010. In 2015, after spending 8 years at the Assembly, he contested and won the Esako Federal Constituency election. He was unanimously announced as the running mate to Governor Godwin Obaseki at the last Edo State gubernatorial election in 2016. We hereby recognize and honor him with the award of the Pride of the House in view of his performance as Deputy Governor of the state, who has been a good ambassador of the House.
The entire members of the House of Representatives Press Club and the members of the committee, award committee, we hereby present these awards as the pride of the House.
Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu, come respond give them on top the award wey dem give am from the House of Reps press crew. He thank them for the award and say make them no vex, say him be no dey around when dem dey give the people this award, sake of say work carry am comot. He said body sweet and well on top this award.
I want to thank you for this award and to apologize that when it took place I was not in the country and that is why I was not able to come. So I'm very sorry about that and thank God that in your busy schedule, because I know how the house is now, for you to leave the house the way it is now shows your love and your commitment to be here in Edo State. So I want to thank you very much for being here. And also to thank you for remembering me. I spent less than 2 years, about 18 months or so, I think 17 months in House of Representatives, but it was as if I spent 12 years there. And we're able to navigate and we're able to reach out to everybody. And I see House of Rep as my home. This evening is for us to just fellowship and celebrate our brother, Mr. Olumide, who is your colleague. And that is how we celebrate our people.
On top this award, 9 Deputy Governor take celebrate Olumide Olaoluwa Akintola, former head of Channels Benin, wey don collect transfer to Lagos for the Ogbonge work wey im do when im dey Benin. Philip Shaibu talk say dem celebrate Olumide because na person wey dey take im work serious and dey do am well well.
Somebody that believe in his work and he believed that he must do his work very, very well without fear or favor. And that is what journalism stands for. We felt that he can't just go away like that, being our friend, and we needed to appreciate him by honoring him before he leaves.
He has proven that he is really dogged in whatever he does. And although you see how he looks very gentle, but when it comes to the job, he's usually a go-getter.
He's one of us and we miss him so much. He's gentle and he's always calm, and he's also full of wisdom. So I just want to wish you, on behalf of everybody, of every one of us here, that wish you all the best, and God will be with you.
Olumide Olaoluwa Akintola talk say belle sweet and well on top the dinner wey Deputy Governor put for am, and the things wey he hear about himself e make am happy. He can't tell him other colleagues them saying wish them well for this journalism work with them they do, because if they put better effort, it will carry them waka far.
I must appreciate everybody from the depth of my heart and say this is an honor that, well, it's good when you hear people talk about you, say a few things about you, and when those things start coming, sometimes I look at myself, is it me they are talking about? But in the course of my job here in Edo State, thank God the SSG is here, we've had brushes. He can testify so many times with the Deputy Governor too. But you see, my belief, the way journalism should be, is to speak to power, those in power, not negatively, constructively, the way that will bring joy to the greatest majority of our people. And one of the greatest things this administration did that I will not forget is that road, Lucky Way. For everybody that came out to honor us this day, I say thank you very much, and I wish you all the best in life.
As Deputy Governor present award give and finish, now everybody begin jollificate with better dance and belle full well.
Person supposed happy for this kind of thing, because it shows say the little work wey person they do, with the time where they do you don't think say people they notice, but somehow then they notice. So naturally I did really happy, and I thank the Deputy Governor wey take recognize me, say well, this small thing where I do for 4 years when I say for Benin, he remember and I did happy very well.
As the first timer in the National Assembly, the kind thing where he was able to break the rank of most of the presiding officers, and that has endangered him to be one of the best lawmakers so far in the National Assembly. So now make we remember and say this man has done well, and we decided to honor him with this prestigious award. Now the first of its kind where we host for National Assembly House of Rep. So we decided to honor him for that.
Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Frank Okiye come follow Tori people talk on top how them as new members of Edo State House of Assembly ready to work with Edo Executive Arm of Government to carry Edo State waka far.
Before I become a legislator, I've been a common man outside watching what the governor is doing. And now my people can't give me opportunity to make I take support the governor. So what they should expect from us, those laws, those bills, when go support what the governor they do, so that we will get better and better and better.
Now here we see the informate reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. As House of Reps press members, they don't Nack Award of Excellence give Right Honorable Philip Shaibu. And this one waka follow with the send forth dinner where Edo Deputy Governor we do for Olaoluwa Akintola Olumide will be former head of Channels Benin. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge informate una yes so now from T Live Media. My name na Nimat Shagumo.